Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a Coinbase account for a trust or estate. All right, if you're wondering how to set up a Coinbase account for a trust or estate, this video is definitely going to help you out with that. It's gonna be a really quick one. I'm just gonna give you guys a couple of step-by-step guides on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Coinbase account. Now, you can do so on the mobile app, or you could choose to log in on online through the website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the Accounts tab. Now, once you're there, you want to click on Create Wallet, and then you're going to choose the wallet type. And here you're going to go with Trust or Estate Wallet. And now you're going to set up wallet settings, including the name as well as the password. And once that's done, just confirm the wallet creation, and Coinbase is going to set that up for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Coinbase account for a trust or estate. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the